Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about 2+. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2s. This one we have negative number 4 sine 4s. And number 2 and number 2 we have number 4. Next, we divide both sides by number 4. Next, this one we change for u. S minus sine 4s ds we change for du over number 4. So the integration of this one we have Ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.